I'm back again! For those who doesn't know me, I'm Michael, product lead at Qt, bringing you the highlights for the 6.11 release. Let's start with something that I've been brewing for the past year, the new module Qt Canvas Painting, bringing a new way of drawing 2D graphics. It's an imperative API running on top of the rendering hardware interface, giving hardware acceleration and top performance. Moreover, the API is based on the HTML Canvas 2D context, bringing familiarity and productivity gains when writing code with it. We have a series of blog posts explaining its features and benchmarks in details. Check it out for more. The next highlight on our list are the new capabilities for the Qt Quick 3D module. We've added new easy-to-use APIs to enable Screen Space Global Illumination and Screen Space Reflections, with simple toggles that bring richer indirect light and reflections without baking. There are also improvements on the Temporal Anti-aliasing algorithm, with the addition of motion vectors. For the experts and specialists, we've added new QML APIs for user-redefined render passes that enables custom rendering pipelines directly in QML for things like post-processing effects, color picking, layer masks, and much more. Qt Quick 3D is already one of the best solutions for 3D rendering, and it won't stop here. We also keep developing evolving Qt graphs. Starting with 6.11, it is possible to specify your own delegate to render every item added to the graph. Furthermore, we added a new example, the Wind Turbine Dashboard, and there are plenty of new additions to the existing types, from new ways to style line graphs all the way to multiple axis supports on 3D graphs. Too many to fit on this video. Check out the release notes for more. Moving a bit away from the visual graphics improvements, I want to talk about the Qt OpenAPI module. It provides functionality for generating Qt HTTP clients using Qt Network RESTful APIs, all based on the OpenAPI specifications. That makes it even easier to use your Qt applications connecting to web servers. And how about the Qt Task Tree? It's a new perspective to API design in Qt. It brings the declarative description approach to C++ by introducing the recipe and task tree executors concepts. In addition to that, the APIs have been unified to allow adapting any asynchronous tasks to work with the module. It's a big change. Refer to the blog post linked in the video description for more information. Some updates on the mobile area, especially on Android. With Qt 6.11, we're bringing support for Android 16. This will also be backported to the 6.8 LTS release. Another new thing is the support for Google Play feature delivery, allowing your Android app to be split into packages and delivered directly through the Play Store. In the Android Automotive side, rendering as a service and content projection are moving out of technical preview. And finally, we are bringing support to run Qt without any dependence on the Android system, meaning you can render your automotive UI quickly, while Android is still starting up. That's it in a nutshell. As always, you can find more details on the respective blog posts and release notes. Thanks for watching and see you next time.